I'm King with Airline Vacuum, and here I'm going to show you what a rough end looks like, a house that's under construction that we have just piped in the vacuum system. There's going to be a couple of components that are different, and I'm going to explain to you what they are and then how the system is going to operate. First of all, here is one of our retractable hose inlets. Now this inlet's going to have a 40-foot hose in it. You can pull out whatever length you want, but what I want to show you is that this particular location is going to take care of the kitchen, the breakfast area, the family room, the foyer and formal dining, as well as the gallery from one location. So it's not a lot of different hookups, changing hose location. It's all going to be done this particular one in the center of the home.